Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly what you'll have to do is to add a fingerprint. So if you don't know how you can add fingerprint, you can find this video tutorial on our channel. So go check it out, add fingerprint, and then come back here. So after you're done adding fingerprint, you go to settings, then you go to the passwords and security, go to your fingerprint, enter your PIN here, then in the use fingerprint for enable app lock. Okay. The next step, you go to the apps section and then go to the app lock. So here you have to turn on your privacy, something like that. So here you have to set up privacy password. You can set up the same password you have on your lock screen, or you can set another password. I'm just gonna set up the same I have in my lock screen. Then you have to confirm it. Not now. Okay. Not now. So here you can select apps which you want to lock. So let's lock them all. I have no problem with that. So here you can see my locked apps like YouTube, Gallery, Chrome, Facebook, and yeah. So now to access, for example, YouTube, you will have to either enter PIN or scan your fingerprint. Enter password before unlocking with your fingerprint. Okay. So this feature works the way that it after you lock your screen, unlock it, the apps which you have locked with your fingerprint will be locked again. And to access them, you will have to scan your fingerprint. So as you can see, right now, it's opened all the time, but after I lock screen, then I lock it, for example, after some time, try to open gallery, and wow, it's locked again. So yeah, that's the way it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.